friends, this is Mohammed Imtiaz. Welcome to my channel AutoCAD Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you that how we can publish our all layout. For example, if you have 10 or 20 or 15 layouts, you can publish one time any single time. Okay, but before I start a tutorial, I will explain you that in previous tutorial I explained you how to set up the page and apply for all layout. So you can apply for all layout, then you can print in everything. Okay, I will give that previous tutorial link in the description, how to set up a page and apply for all layout. Okay, so you watch that tutorial one and then you can understand easily this tutorial how to publish for all layout. Okay, so first of all, how to publish, you have to be just type in the command line. So here, as you can see, we have our layout and we can going to be publish this all four layout in a single time. Okay, so you have to type in the command line publish publish. Okay, one dialog box will open to you. That, as you can see, we have one dialog box. So this dialog box have a four layout: ground floor and first floor, one layout, and 01, 02, 03. So we have total four layout. This is the model. Model will not print, just only we will print uh, layout only. So first of all, how we know about where is the paper size, and what scale we are going to print. In last tutorial I explain you everything, how to set up a page, A1 or A0, whatever scale you have. You set up the page first and then make apply for all layout, then you can use this tutorial. Okay, so you have to watch that tutorial one, which one I'm going to be give you in the description below. Okay, as you can see, we have simple, just only we selected the A1 layout. Okay, page setup, select A1 layout, just only click for the publish. Okay, just click for the publish, you will get the all print a single time. As you can check in your plotter, it's going to print all in A1 because we set it in A1. Okay, I'll give you the description below, the link of the tutorial one, so it can be very easy for you. Okay, thank you, take care, bye.